Introducing the EchoMaster Blind Spot Camera Kit for Jeep Wrangler and Jeep Gladiator. Specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler JK, Wrangler JL, and Gladiator JT. Each kit includes 2 blind spot cameras pre-assembled to Jeep-specific mounting brackets. These brackets are foam-backed, so they won't damage your paint job, and they bolt right into place using the Jeep's original hardware, making installation very easy. Adding blind spot cameras immediately increases your visibility of what is happening next to you in the blind spots that happen with every Jeep. With the cameras mounted to the body of the Jeep, they will be there for all your adventures, even when you are riding with your doors off. These cameras feature a universal RCA connector, making them perfect for use with the Stinger Heighten or any head unit or display with multiple video inputs. And with an IP67 rating, these cameras are rugged and ready for the elements that you encounter on your journey, on-road and off-road. So upgrade your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator and increase your visibility with a blind spot camera kit from EchoMaster.